I bought it on the assumption it has an engine in it. Okay, it is a little bit rotten. But first, and one of the most important things, is to check that this car actually has an engine. There's an engine. Before I start working on the engine though, I do want to get everything out of the car so I know what parts I've got. Chrome and stuff like that. That I'm guessing is for the rear bumpery bit. Some seats which are not in bad condition. Dashboard there. I also want to have a look under here to see whether this sunroof is absolutely destroyed. I bet it is. It's literally coming apart with the tape. Look at that metal, or what was metal. Thing is, a sunroof is a lot of money, I think, on one of these. What a state. Now, let's get on to this engine. That's not a good sign, is it? What's that? So having emptied the car out of all the spares and stuff, I'm now getting a bit more of a picture as to what there is to do. And there's a lot. It isn't just a bit of welding, it is a full go through. And for someone like me who has no real experience, I'm not a mechanic by the way, so anything I do not try. I kind of thought to myself, oh, I'll come up and I'll give the engine a go, see if I can get it running. That's not going to happen. You know, just as an example, there's just wiring everywhere. You see this frame here for the bonnet, it comes down to here, and you have to undo this bolt that goes through. It's a bit fiddly to get to, but I managed to get that one out. I've still got to get the other side out. I've also spent time undoing the bonnet struts with the spring, so they are now out as well. Okay, that is now loose. Progress. I think that what I want to do next is I actually want to start removal of the engine. I don't know why, I just want to kind of get it out of the way. First thing I'm going to do is remove the radiator. So I'm going to have to drain that using the drain plugs wherever they are. That might be one down there. Removing the hoses, etc. And then I can kind of just work my way through. This is all pretty knackered. Look, quite a big chunk out of that there, isn't it? Use that pallet truck thing over there, put a pallet on it, and then lower the engine onto it. Oh, actually that's not going to work, is it? Because the chassis is in the way. I'll worry about that later. I've got this. Don't you worry, I've got this. Remember, I am a highly trained mechanic. So the radiator is now out, and now I want to move on to a few different bits. And I've been looking through the manual because cars like this are so simple that they literally just jot it down in such easy instructions, and it means that I know what I am doing. So I think I'm going to remove all of these controls here for this. These here, I think these are the heater hoses. And also this here, which is the downpipe coming from the manifold down to the exhaust. And there it is, the engine is out of the Triumph Herald. And I thought to myself that actually this is something that I could have done on a few different cars over the years, but I'd never actually taken the plunge of taking out a gearbox and an engine. And I thought, you know what, the Triumph Herald is the perfect car to do it on. So here it is in all its glory. Now let's crack on with the rest. So this central wiring loom here seems to be for all the dash stuff. It's got all the bulbs and that for the dash, so that would go over here somewhere. Got like an earth coloured cable here. And yeah, I'm just going to start pulling it all through, I think. What's that? It's for the doors. Oh, is that a sensor? So that it knows when the door's open and closed, maybe? Ah, it's stuck to me. Right, so that earth-looking cable comes through this hole. Just looking at all of this here, so I know where it all goes. So there's the blue and red, or blue and burgundy cable that goes to the far right here. There's a yellow cable. And I think that this cable here also came off at the same time and behind it. The one next to that's the little yellow one, that also comes out. And then you have this one here, which looks like a brown wire. I'm never going to remember any of this. You know what this is here? Got some like white cables going into that. On the other two is green and purple. So a little note to self, this blue wire here was on this side, and then the other side's like a purpley browny colour that was on the opposite side. So I've got all of this bundle out, but I'm not quite sure what this red thing is here. I wonder whether it was for speakers or something to the door.